A village with a colorful palace and a regal castle is my kind of town. This is a look into how we spent our day in Sintra, Portugal.
So we're here at Rosio train station. It's a major train station in Lisbon. We're going to Sintra. So Sintra is where you can find the Penna Palace and then a beautiful castle. And everyone that we've spoken to, they said you have to go to Sintra. So we're actually booked for a 4-hour free walking tour. I highly suggest you guys check out walking tours, free walking tours in any city that you're in. We've gone to so many free walking tours and they've all been very good. They're going to meet us at the train station and then we're going to head to Sintra. So the tickets to Sintra cost us €9.80 for the three of us to go and return, so it's pretty cheap. So it's a totally inexpensive way to visit a beautiful area of town.
We're in the downtown area waiting for our tour guides to come in.
How's it going?
Good.
Good. Are you excited for our walking tour today?
A little bit.
A little bit. I know you.
But not so long.
You don't want it to be too long?
Yeah, I want it to be too long.
Well, you have your tablet, right? So when you get bored, you can play with your tablet, right?
We finally met our tour guide and boarded the train to Sintra. The ride would only be 1 hour away from Lisbon.
What are you buying here, Jackie?
Buying quesadas. Thank you. Quesada.
So what are these?
This is a sweet that we baked since 1756, made with cheese and cinnamon.
Thank you.
Welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Another food break. Yes, we took another break in another pastry shop. This one was really busy, and apparently they're very famous in Sintra. After stocking up on some goodies, it was time to check out some more sights. Because of all its romantic architectural monuments, Sintra is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it is a truly beautiful place to wander and explore.
So we just finished our walking tour in Sintra. The tour guide was amazing. He was a wealth of knowledge. He actually is a trained marine biologist, but during the crisis he lost his job, but he loves this job and you can really tell. So that was money well worth it. Even though it was free, we gave him a good tip. So right now we're gonna go to Quinta de la Regaleria, and it looks kind of like a castle. It was built by the Knights Templar hundreds of years ago, and the tour guide was just raving about it. He said you have to go see the Regaleria. So he said that while we're walking around to try to find the well, there's this huge well, 24 meters in depth, that the Knights Templar created, and it has a lot of symbolism. So we're going to enjoy our time here. There's no lineup, so we'll see you inside.
Quinta de Regaleira is a beautiful royal-looking residence. It has gardens and tunnels and secret passageways that have made this one of the top tourist attractions in Sintra. So before we start touring the Quinta de la Regaleria, we thought we'd stop by the restaurant and get something to eat. So we have vegetable lasagna, looks really good. We have a salad, and I just tasted the tomatoes, and they are like so good. They're yummy, Keenan.
They're not yummy for me.
And this dish is codfish and potatoes. So I do like, we call it saltfish in Jamaica, and but it is codfish and tomatoes. So, and I like both of these things, so I'm gonna try this. It's hot. That's really good.
I have a lasagna here. It's a vegetarian lasagna. Let me try it. It's very nice.
It's good?
Very nice. Keenan? We want you to try your food.
Keenan's busy playing his game, but the game's gonna go off and you're gonna eat some food, okay? Keenan's reading the map, trying to get us to the well.
K.
You figuring out how we get to the well?
The K is. Wait, the K is. The K is.
Okay, let me know when.
So after walking up a steep hill, we are finally at the entrance to the well. You good to go?
Mm-hmm.
Let's go, my friend. Let's go.
Wow.
Very.
Wow. Very deep.
The initiation well is something of a mystery at the castle. It's believed that the towers were used for secret initiation rites of the Knights Templar. Scary stuff.
We're in the bottom of the old black.
The well.
Well.
We finally descended to the bottom of the well. As you can see when you look up, they say it's, was it
27 meters?
27 meters deep?
The Skittles. With it all.
Awesome.
We may never know if this place was actually built for some mysterious ritual or if the designer just thought that the well was a pretty cool thing to have. But after spending time in the underground part of this place, it's easy to believe the tales of messianic orders and rituals. Keenan had a blast wandering through the labyrinth of tunnels. We just had to keep up with him to make sure we didn't lose our kid.
Keenan.
You guys go up.
Okay.
It's getting dark in here. I can see throughout.
Yes. Let's see. Hold on. Wait for me. Very cool. These are some narrow stairs. Look at Daddy. Look.
I'm very high.
So we made it to Penna Palace. We were really lucky when we were leaving Regalia. There was someone coming out of a car and it was like a drop off. So we said, are you a taxi? Didn't have the taxi sign. He said, no, I'm an Uber driver. So for €5, he drove us to Penna Palace instead of having to walk down, find a bus, and then take the bus. So we're here at Penna Palace. It's it's brisk. It's 5 kilometers uphill. So we're getting like, not mountain weather, but it's quite chilly. We're going to be here for a couple of hours and enjoy this beautiful, colorful palace. So our tour guide was telling us that Penna Palace was built by Ferdinand.
Yes.
And he built it for his wife,
Queen Mary.
is it Queen Mary? And they were very much in love. They were married for 21 years, 11 kids, and so he actually bought this lot of land, but unfortunately his wife died. His second wife was able to enjoy this beautiful palace.
Penna Palace is a colorful jewel in this village filled with romantic architecture. This is the most vibrant and colorful palace we've ever seen. It was built on the second highest hill of this village at 480 meters.
This place is just breathtaking. And to think a husband made this palace just for his wife. Very nice. After King Ferdinand and his second wife died, the palace was classified as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Now that's a telephone. Holy smokes. This is quite the kitchen. Apartment, and we have the pastry that we got when we were in Sintra. We got 2 with apple and cinnamon and 2 with almond. I think almond is like the original flavor. I just want to have a little taste test. That's good. It's nice and light and flaky. That's some good pastry. Patrick and I are going to enjoy this a little later tonight. Probably watch a movie and have a nice cup of green tea. Can't wait. I cannot believe how many pastry places we've seen in Lisbon. Like every corner there is pastry places, and they're all filled with people. So pastry is a really big thing in Lisbon. I kind of knew about that before coming, but I had no idea it was such a big thing. So we're gonna enjoy this, and we'll see you later. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and check out our other travel videos. Until next time.